The Rosewater CBD facial is amazing. Everyone loves it, especially for spring or Mother's Day or really any time of the year. So here's what it is. People love rosewater. They love what rosewater does for their skin. It's antioxidants. It helps balance the skin. It helps with oil production. It helps with rosacea, any kind of things like that. Now imagine how amazing it is with CBD. Now if you don't know what CBD does for the face, it balances your skin back to normal. So if you're too oily, it helps control oil production. If you're too dry, it moisturizes the skin and then locks in that moisture with the omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. It's also very anti-aging. It helps rapid skin renewal. There's just so many benefits. And as you know, it kills all inflammation in the skin and kind of acne, rosacea, eczema, anything like that. It's going to be super helpful for your facials. Now, the rose water is an all-natural rose water. I always say it's not your grandma's rose water. It has no fragrance added. This is a very beautiful natural rose water in a very fine mist. So it's very easy to apply. Now you couple this with the serum booster. The serum booster has 1,000 milligrams of CBD in it. Nobody needs that much CBD. But what it is I made it to cocktail into any skincare that you want to use. And you just cocktail it in 2 ways. 3 drops directly on the face under the mask, 3 drops cocktailed into your moisturizer, and it will give you all of those benefits of balancing your skin back to normal. And also some people do like to add 5 drops to the moisturizer to create a 5-minute slip facial massage. So feel free to do that. And then what you're going to do is add the body oil at the end for the neck shoulder massage. It's going to be so relaxing for the client, and it just help with anxiety and all of that. So you're going to balance out the skin and relax the client at the same time. Now, if you really want to get fancy, you can always add the face and body mask, which is a brush on massage in mask. You do not remove it, no laundry. So it's great for a CBD décolleté anti-aging facial, back facial, hand treatment, foot treatment, anything you like. But that's for another day. I go on and on and on about the mask. The Rosewater CBD facial is where it's at, and it's a great way to upgrade your clients for the spring and summer.